He's a real pussy. Real crutches. And you have to go suck your mama. And me I tell you that straight up. Me, Marky Masco, say that. I mean, I want nobody come in on my video and I come tell me about, yo, you could have do it better than that. You didn't have to tell him. Me I tell him straight. Let me tell the Prime Minister about him, bumbuckler. Me I gotta tell you, sir, you go suck your mama. He's one Uncle Tom sellout motherfucker. You bitch ass nigga. How dare you go come on wait name that and I talk about Ibrahim Traore is a fake and this man is a thief and him a murderer. All kind of things you talk about this man, brother. Like why? As a black man, you're supposed to be uplifting this man. All black platforms supposed to be uplifting this man, and here you come as a big platform, black platform from Jamaica. One of the, if not the biggest platform in Jamaica. And you them I use to try to tear him down, knowing say Jamaica stand. Very essential and firmly behind Africa. And you them I use to try to tear down the one African leader that we have to liberate the whole entire world for black people. Hey boy, you have to go. You have to go. All on the boy, man, not for use no decency pound or pure ignorance, man, for use pound. You get away with too much thing now, so you got suck your mama and go. Hey boy, hey boy, sir, you have to go, you know. You have to go, man. Move your bum buckler and go, man. I come tell man about blood clot, the man a thief and all kind of thing. Thief what? What kind of thief you call the man? The man is a great leader. The leader, your leader with that Jamaica, bigger thief than Traore. Andrew Wall is a bigger thief than Traore. The amount of murder with Andrew Wall is commit a blood clot Jamaica. I mean, you talk about it. When him send him friend, them go kill off innocent people. When people talk about him send police friend them go do all kind of things to people.